Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm coming to you today from Jacksonized 3. This is a 2013 540 Sundancer. Most of you know one of my favorite models. So we're going to dive right in. We got a lot to cover. Starting back here, as you can see, with the chocks for the owner's jet ski or tender. This does have the hydraulic swim platform that will drop down. Either serve as a swim step, sunning lounge, or obviously to load a jet ski or tender. Nice swim platform area, good for entertaining. You can sit here, talk with people. You've got these gold wing doors that either serve as opening this all up as the sun lounge, or it closes it off for backrest seating for the inside there in the cockpit. Great mooring box, nice spot to be able to throw a couple of your fenders or your dock lines, or when you got your wet life jackets, you can dump those in there. Everything will drain out. It's all wet stuff back here. And under here is another large mooring box. So you have a big fiberglass dock box currently with this boat, you can remove that. Put all your mooring in here, your gear in here, your fenders. You can put your dock line, shore power cords, any gear that you might need for a long run. You can really fill it up in here. Not to have any interior space. So we'll step into the cockpit now. So here we are in the cockpit of the 540 Sundancer, and one of the first things I noticed as I stand here on a 97-degree day is a nice dual air conditioning, two dedicated air conditioners here in this open cockpit, and you can really feel it swirl around. In this particular area, you get hit on both sides, but you've also got air vents forward around the helm too. As you can see, this is a large dance floor entertainment cockpit. You've heard me say it 100 times on these boats. They're just really made to entertain a large group of people. Nice L-shaped seating. The table can be moved from here to the back, so you can, wherever you decide you want to put it. If you want to be able to face backwards, you can move those here while you have dinner or lunch or whatever, or if you want to be able to face forward for a run, you can move it to here as well. Lots of flexibility. And then directly across from it, your wet bar area. You've got the Kenyan grill. You've got the refrigerator, ice maker, storage underneath here, nice wet bar sink, and trash receptacle as well. This owner's done a lot of upgrades in AV systems. All the TVs in here, the TV here in the cockpit's been upgraded to a larger screen TV. As you can see, it's got the wet sound speakers. There was 2 mounted on the swim platform. He's got them mounted in here. He's got 4 in here, all of them with the beautiful grills on them as well. The system really sounds nice. So as we step forward, you'll notice that we transition from what the owner just had replaced or brand new. The cockpit flooring was just replaced a few months ago by us here at MarineMax, but he's also got the real natural teak in the upper cockpit. Swivel helm seat, think about it. You might not run your boat for very long, and when you get there, you don't want these to be facing forward or away from here, so you can rotate those around and be part of the entertainment area here. So as you step forward, nice gradual step up here, you'll notice this center helm. I absolutely love the center helm. No matter which way you're coming in the dock, you've got good visibility. Easy to be able to pop over, look over the side. Really makes it a functional cockpit and unique to any other Sea Ray model that they made. This does have the dual Raymarine radar, GPS screens, smart craft vessel gauges up here above. Engines have just over 400 hours on them. Generator somewhere around 1,200 hours on it. Onan generator, diesel generator. All services were recently updated. Owner just had, for putting the boat on the market, he actually had both pods replaced with new pods. That was actually completed within the last 20 days. So really ready to be taken to another market or here in the local market. You've got great services, great track record on the boat as well. So as we transition here as well, you'll notice that we've got the joystick docking system, Zeus pods, sky hook, push the button, you got virtual anchor basically. Really makes for nice kind of a first mate replacement. You're able to kick that on, get your fenders, get your dock lines ready. Just an easy boat to operate. It's 54 feet, but can be easily captained by a single captain. So as you can see here, you've got your Alpine stereo remote controls, the Raymarine VHF radios. Just super nice helm station that is easy to operate. Great sight lines all the way around the boat. You've got 3 vents. You've got 1 forward, 1 on each side, so you can get some good airflow through here. And then just above us, the carbon fiber frame skylight that will actually open up as well and give you a nice open area over top. So let's transition down into the cabin and let's walk you through that as well. So here we are in the main salon. An absolutely amazing salon for an express style boat to have this much light downstairs. With the overhead skylight that's there, you can actually pull a shade to black that out. Got great whole side windows. I'm looking at an absolutely amazing view at water level almost here. So really a very inviting, very comfortable, very contemporary style salon area. Got the nice high-low table. This will actually come forward to you so you can have breakfast, you can have a cup of coffee, or work on a laptop, frankly. Not that I condone that, but you can. So L-shaped seating, got the nice pull-away hideout bed or hideaway bed as well. We'll step over to the galley, one of the largest galleys that Sea Ray did. Nice countertop space all the way across with the beautiful white updated Corian countertops. You've got the isotherm refrigerator and freezer, so lots of refrigeration between the cockpit and the galley area and ice maker. You've got a lot of refrigeration here. Obviously you've got the nice undermount stainless steel sink, Kenyan 2-burner stove, lots of storage all the way across the top. One of the things we hear a lot from some of the newer style boats where everything is glass surround is when you do glass all the way around, you lose all your upper cabinets. So now that those are gone, you lose storage. But on a 540 and some of these other vessels, you've got tons of storage. This boat can be equipped for a long run easily. So storage all the way across the front of here as well. Drawers all the way down, silverware, all that good stuff. And as you look down here at the floor, you got nice hardwood floors throughout. And one of the things that I've always liked about the 540 is you don't have a pole with some steps built into it. These steps are actually built into the structure of the boat. You've got nice support up each side, and you're not trying to balance as you go up. You've really got a great gradual walk up with nice wood steps. So the boat wears nicely because you don't have carpet throughout the boat. And a lot of times you're going to come down here, frankly, with wet feet or wet body as you walk through here. So let's step forward into the VIP or day head. Nice tile floors, beautiful vanity, shower that's enclosed. Vacuum flush heads. And then as you step forward into the VIP suite, you'll notice that the guest on your boat will be taken care of well as well. Very nicely decorated and trimmed out VIP suite. Full-size bed, step-ups off each corner. This particular VIP suite actually does have the Bose system in it as well. So you've got Bose sound cubes and subwoofer. Lots of closet space. So just a great layout. So let's go back and check out the master suite. So step down here into the full beam master suite. You'll notice these very nice opaque doors, pocket sliders, really set the tone nicely for coming back in here into your full master suite. Got a side-to-side island bed, very comfortable, easy to board in and out of, storage along the top. Your media station and storage here in the front as well. At the footboard of the bed, great spot for the TV, Bose surround sound mounted here, and again directly in front of the bed as you catch up in the evenings. As you step down into the master to the right, you'll see the washer and dryer combo. Great feature to have on board. And then probably one of the nicest heads in a master suite that they did under 60 feet. When you step up into the master head, you feel like you've kind of stepped into a spa with great finishings, beautiful marble countertops, glass surround shower. Just a beautiful head design. So here we are now the 540. It's absolutely enormous up here. Large sun pads. I love how they're sunk down into the deck. They don't sit on top of the deck. Got a nice cover that will cover all of that up. As you look forward at the anchor area, one of the things I always look for in an anchor area is if I need to work on the anchor, if I've got a stuck anchor or something that needs to be done, I've got lots of space here to do that, all non-skid. So a good safe area for you to really work the anchor or to do anything that you need to be doing up here on the nose of the boat. And as you look back on the hardtop, You notice the boat has the Marine radar, the KVH dome, Halon system, the Haler system, the air horn. So the boat's got all the electronics that you need to drop this on the coast, keep it inland. You've got everything that you need as soon as you step on board. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'd love to get you on board Jacksonized 3. Give me a call at 972-670-8211, and I look forward to talking to you soon.